Academy for you on campus. I am teacher Jason, and today I'm super excited to show you how to do the Math Kangaroo 4-point test question, especially for level 1 to 2. So every day we will see 3 different kind of questions, and it could be a pattern, it could be calculation, it could be logical reasoning, and etc. etc. So today we are going to do a really interesting topic, and it is called pattern. So I personally love pattern question a lot. So everyone, let's start today's question, Math Kangaroo challenge, with a really interesting topic, pattern, okay? Everyone, let's go. So everyone, if you want to read the question, you can pause here, and then otherwise I will read the question for you to better understand the question. So Peter drew the pattern twice, as in the figure, as in the picture. Which point will he reach when he draws the third pattern? So everyone, after reading the question, what do you see important? So some of you may say, I see twice, I think the third pattern, right, etc, etc. Yes, that's correct, totally, very good. So here, the most important thing is, obviously, pattern, right? Of course, it's pattern because we have been doing pattern for today, right? So here, but what is the pattern? What is the most important thing? What is the pattern? What is the actual pattern for this question? So, some of you may say, oh, you see some big squares, you see some different sizes of squares, you see some lines, like weird lines, right? So, actually, I personally can think of the pattern like a square. Like, I will use the square to describe the pattern. So, the pattern goes big square, the biggest square, and medium square, and small square. And bigger square, medium square, and small square, etc, like so forth and so on. So here, but what exactly does a medium square, big square, and small square means? So we can think of this like the biggest square is a 3 by 3 square, and what about the medium square? The medium square is like a 2 by 2 square. And what about the small square? The small square is gonna be just 1 by 1, or just one little square, right? Very good. So here, everyone, let me draw the square like this, okay? Let me use red. Oh, actually, let me use blue, okay? So everyone, so again, it goes from a bigger square, 3 by 3, and it goes the second biggest square, like a medium square, 2 by 2, and finally, we can draw a little square, 1 by 1 square, or a little 1 square. Yes. So everyone, the question is, which point will he reach when he draws the third pattern? So everyone, is it A, B, C, D, or D, everyone? So this is obviously D, right? Because, okay, when we draw the pattern, the pattern will reach point D, but no A, B, C, or D, right? So this one is super obvious. So the answer is D, right? Yes, very good. So this one is really interesting and really easy to start today's question, right? So everyone, let's go to the second question of today. So as usual, we will pause here. If you guys want to pause here, yes, you can. And otherwise, I'll read the question for you to better understand the question. So Don has 2 identical bricks. So you can see the picture on the right hand side. So which figure can he not build using the 2 bricks? So everyone, so let me underline not build. Because the question is not about which one can we build. The question is about which one can we not build, right? So here, we can use some colorful pencil to draw the bricks. So let me draw the left brick using yellow and the right brick using blue, like this, okay? So that we can better distinguish where to put the 2 bricks. So everyone, let's see. How about A? Let's try A, okay? So let me draw the blue and the yellow. So everyone, can we make the A? Can we make the A figure? Yes, we can make the A figure. So that means A is not what we are looking for. So let me cross out A, okay? So what about B? Let's try B. So again, let me use yellow and blue to distinguish where to put them, okay? So is it B? Can we make B? Oh wait, okay. Yes, we can make B, right? So that means B is not what we are looking for. What about C, everyone? So, okay, we can try this, okay? But where do we put the blue one? So can we put the blue one like this? Can we separate the 2 bricks? We cannot do this, right? So, okay, we cannot do this. So let's try another way. So what about these, everyone? So, oh, Teacher Jason. So how about this? Teacher Jason. What about this? Can we do this? We cannot do this, right? Because that way we're gonna separate the 2 bricks, and otherwise we cannot do this. So this one, it may be the answer. So, but let's keep this first, okay? Let's not eliminate this first. So what about the D, okay? So let's try D like this, okay? What about this? So can we make D, everyone? Yes, we can make D. So that means we need to eliminate this one, right? So that means we need to eliminate this one because this one is not we are looking for. Okay, what about Y, everyone? So Y, let's see. Y, let's put the color blue and yellow. So again, this one, can we make Y? Yes, we can make this. So that means Y is not the answer. So that means this one is obvious, right? So this answer is C, right? Yes. Very good, everyone. This one, again, is super interesting, and then it's kind of fun to look at this. So let's go to the next question. Oh, again, so you can pause here to read the question yourself, and then I'll read the question for you to better understand the question. So the kangaroo is inside how many circles? Wow, super short question, but it's pretty complex. Personally, I think it's pretty hard because you need to look at different circles, right? But here, everyone, I'll teach you one simple way to do this, okay? So you can let me draw the circle using different colors. So this circle, let me use blue, and this circle using yellow, and then red like this. Okay. And what about the next one? So we have one more circle. So like this. Yes. Okay, my apologies because I have a really bad drawing. But that's fine. Okay, you got it. You got what I said, okay? So the question is, the kangaroo is inside how many circles? So everyone, let's look at the blue circle. So is the kangaroo in the blue circle? Yes, it is in the blue circle, right? So that means it's 1. Okay, let's count. So 1, okay? So what about the yellow circle? Is the kangaroo on the yellow circle? Yes, it is in the yellow circle, right? So that means it's 2, okay? What about the green circle? Let's look at the green circle. Is a kangaroo in the green circle? Yes, it is on the green circle. So that means it's 3, okay? But what about the red circle? Let's look at the red circle. Okay, so is the kangaroo on the red circle, everyone? Let's think about this, okay? No, it is outside the red circle, right? So that means, is it 4? Is not 4. It is 3, right? So that means the answer of this one is C, okay? Yes, very good. Everyone, you got this? Okay, so we finished 3 questions, okay? So everyone, I personally, again, I love this topic a lot. I love patterns questions a lot. So I think it's really fun to look at different patterns. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed this kind of Math Kangaroo challenge, okay? So I will see you tomorrow, everyone. I'll see you next time, okay? And the next time we will do Math Kangaroo challenge day 2, okay? Everyone, stay tuned for this, okay? I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye bye.